Ugaraf gagoi ubade UMP ke Kongres ulapan pau ba ke jingkran umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ubala takran ting syapang ke jingshat kela ki parlok bai donlang hak sorkar MDA kedai tang ke drama nak benta ban pynbiej jakipai ba ke celam Meghalaya. Ugaraf gagoi uloong ba ke NPP BJP bat ki cengsan perthai ki bai donlang hak ke MDA kladei ki master nak benta ban pynbiej jakipai ba jongka Meghalaya lengba ke jingye kaung keti markelyang haswa ke election nomor ba ki don ketilang nak benta ban tu hak babun ki jingkno bamsam.
Have seen the kind of great Meghalaya loot that has taken place under the supervision of all these three individuals. Home Minister Amit Shah, who comes to Meghalaya repeatedly, addresses the Northeast Council meeting in Shillong. Has the great Meghalaya loot has taken place under the supervision of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, who keeps meeting his Meghalaya counterpart, and the great Meghalaya loot has taken place under the supervision and permission of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. And what is this great Meghalaya loot? The Assembly Dome collapse scam, the 860 crore COVID scam, the 500 crore MUDA scam, the 650 crore illegal coal scam, the 149 crore Saubhagya scam, the 50,000 kg rice scam, excise bond cartelization scam, casino scam, friends and family government contract system, and the police purchase scam. So it's quite unfortunate. I'm from the Northeast and I see the coverage that Meghalaya gets in the national press, and every 2 months is negative coverage, because every 2 months some scam is being broken, some corruption is being talked about, some BJP leaders' nexus with child trafficking or woman trafficking is being exposed. Some NPP ministers, family members are getting government contracts, that's getting exposed.
Meghalaya, ka jingsngan ha ke imlang salang, ningkong, baro ki jingeshan by BAM, lingba ka social welfare, ansakin tiyo siya ka siya jating ka sibenay, katakalong kat ara jating ka sisnem.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang, shan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli ki sintiyo, bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Meghalaya has gone from being a power surplus state to one that suffers from power deficit. Is this the Meghalaya we desire? For ourselves, it's time to speak up about the issues that are hindering Meghalaya's progress. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka